Sceptre monitors released since 2020 include a powerful built-in crosshair feature that can significantly enhance your gaming experience. This hardware-level overlay provides consistent aiming assistance across all games. The key advantage of Scepter's crosshair system is that it operates at the hardware level, meaning it won't impact your game's performance, and provides a consistent aiming point regardless of which game you're playing. To enable the crosshair feature, you'll need to access your monitor's on-screen display menu. Press the Menu button on your Sceptre monitor to get started. Navigate to the Gaming or Game Mode section in your OSD menu. On some models, this may be located under Display or Advanced Settings instead. Look for the Crosshair or Aim Point option and toggle it from off to on. This will activate the crosshair overlay on your display. Once enabled, you can customize your crosshair by selecting from different styles, adjusting colors like red, green, blue, or white, and modifying the size or thickness if your model supports these options. Your customization options typically include multiple crosshair styles, such as dots, crosses, and circles. You can choose from standard colors and adjust the size to match your preferences and gaming needs. Some Sceptre monitors also come with remote controls that include dedicated gaming buttons, providing quicker access to crosshair settings without navigating through the full OSD menu. Remember to confirm your changes and exit the OSD menu to save your crosshair settings. Your customized crosshair will now be active and ready to enhance your gaming performance. Sceptre monitor crosshairs provide three major benefits that make them valuable for gamers. First, they offer complete consistency across all games, working even in titles that don't have built-in crosshairs. Second, hardware-based crosshairs have zero performance impact on your system. Unlike software overlays that can reduce frame rates, monitor crosshairs are processed independently. Third, the crosshair remains visible at all times, in game menus, desktop, and even when switching between applications. This constant visibility helps maintain consistent aim reference. However, Sceptre monitor crosshairs do have some limitations you should be aware of before relying on them for competitive gaming. The first limitation is reduced customization compared to software solutions. You're restricted to the preset crosshair styles built into your monitor. You cannot import custom crosshair designs or create your own unique patterns. You're limited to the manufacturer's preset options. Many models lack opacity adjustment features, and position adjustment ranges are often limited to small movements around the center of the screen. Despite these limitations, you can maximize the effectiveness of your Sceptre crosshair by following these best practices for different game types. For first-person shooter games like Valorant and Counter-Strike, use a small dot or thin cross design. This provides precise aiming without obscuring your target. For Battle Royale games, use a medium-sized cross with moderate opacity. This balances precision with visibility across varied environments. Always use contrasting colors to ensure visibility. Choose red crosshairs on bright maps and green on darker environments. Start with smaller crosshairs and gradually adjust based on your comfort level. Finally, maintain your monitor by regularly cleaning the screen to prevent dust accumulation around the crosshair area. This ensures consistent visibility and prevents distractions during gameplay.